Alright, so I had a problem with the sunroof drainage tube leaking in the passenger side here on the floor, wet like crazy. To solve this problem, well, I removed the glove box out of the way, and I had to pretty much cut the tube and replace it with a new one. Put a new adapter in there, connector, and then after I did that, then I pulled it, as you can see from here on this side here. I pulled it inside all the way outside through here. Right, and that's how I solved the problem of no more leaking water on the passenger side. So that's how I did it, and saved myself $1,800 plus tax from the dealership. Thank you for watching. Bye now.